Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Xclusive Modest. My name is Adiza. In this channel I'll be taking you different kind of modest ways like kaftans, hijab, kimal, all this instant hijab, and this is what we'll be doing in this class today. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to it so as to encourage me. So let's go to today's work. So I'll be using this fabric to cut the instant hijab. You can also call it a V-Hijab. So here now I'll be folding this fabric into two like this. So the length here is equal here, it's not equal, it's not that equal here, so ignore this area. I'm not going to use this part. So the length here is 20 inches. That is the front length for the hijab. So the back length I'll be using 24 inches for the back. This is 24 inches. So all these I want to take, they are not constant. This is just the length of the hijab at the front and at the back, you can see. So from here now I'll be taking 7.5 inches. Assuming this is not for adults. Assuming you're working on adult hijab, we have to take a measurement of 9 inches, but let me take a measurement of 8 inches here. So from this 8 inches I'll take 11 inches down. You can see this is 11 inches. You can see. So as to make it equal, this is 8 inches here. 8 inches here. 8 inches here. So it's not that equal. So I want to make it equal. So that's why I'm sketching it this way. So ignore this one. This is the particular one you will be using. This is 8 inches. So from this 8 inches here, you're going to slant it down to this area. Then at this area now, you can make it a curve shape to this area, and you can also make it a V. It depends on how you want it. But yeah, I'll be making use of a curve, like a round shape, like this. You can see. So the next thing here is to cut it out. So this is how it's going to be. So now this is the front of the hijab. You can see. Then I'm going to lower it a little bit. It depends on how you want it to be. This is not constant, like I said earlier. So you can set to, let me make use of 5 inches. 5 inches to 1.5 inches. This is where I'm going to place my cap. That's the hijab cap, the cup at the front. You can also call it a cap. Then I'm going to cut it. You can see. Then after this now, I'm going to cut out the cup by folding this into two. Then into 4, like this. So the 5 inches that we took measurement of to the same allowance of 1 inch. Then this, I'm going to make use of 4 inches with the same allowance of ½ inch here. Then I'm going to cuff it. And this is going to be for the cap. Then I'm going to notch the center of the cap. Then as well, I'm going to notch this center too. Then I'll go ahead to attach it here. So if you think this cap is too wide, you can reduce it. I said they are not constant. But then I want to make a pleat around. You can make a flouse. You can make a flay. That's a flouse and a flay. That's the same thing. So you can make a flouse or a flay around this. But yeah, I'm making use of a pleat. You can also pleat it. So that is what I want to cut out here. I'll make use of at least 2 inches. I don't want it to be too wide. So I'm going to take the measurement. 2 inches, that is 4 inches. By folding into 2 is going to give me 2 inches. Then I'll be adding the same allowance of ½ inch to it. Then the single one can all round the shape. Then you can see the remaining one is 4.5 inches. So I'll be sharing this into 2. So here is it. After doing that, I'll be folding this into 2 like this. Then I'll be making this to make a pleat around here. So let me go and do it for you to see. The first step I took is the joining of the cap at the front. Then the second step is the joining of the front. Then this is after joining the pleats around the hijab. You can see, I told you, I said you can make use of a flouse and you can also make use of a pleat. So this is the pleat I make use of, and this is how it comes out. You can see how beautiful it is, and it is also simple. So you can try yours as well. If you're watching my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tutorial. See you in my next class. Bye.